Yeah, blessed Sunday afternoon to you all, peeps. You know, we're there, live in living colors. One more great vlog again today Sunday. Yeah, man, we're there, man. We're going to the riverside again. We're going to do some jerk bonita with some roast plantain and some roast potato. We're there. Yeah, man. Soon in the video. We're there line up to move out, you know. We're there wait for the cab. Yes, man. It's a great sunny. We don't know if you get no weather look more. But we're there go and line up and wait for the cab to move out. One love, peeps. Soon in the video. Yeah, peeps. Caribbean vibe. So yeah, we are trying to set up a thing. Them pan for them thing and we pan for we thing. But everything is same thing. You see where me are dealing. So, one love, one heart, one destiny. You know? So you go.
But I got jerk some chicken so I'm a pre-cook it right now. I'm wrap with the file table but actually get it pre-cook. Look at the sweet potato salad. Yeah. But I carry off a little catering today, you know. Yeah, big up Nevio.
What's going on, people? Everything good, be here chilling. Be chilling, trying to get one little thing together today, you know what I mean? Caribbean vibes all day, man. You all enjoy yourself. Get a lot of what's going on around here. We love you all day.
Yeah, my people, so we check out the spot on YouTube. Start mash up the whole I tree them. Guys, look there. One cave that's in the water, run through the cave. Got it. First, me actually see this a cave. Get it. Get it. Look at baby. Yes, I have so many different parts to explore up here. Yeah guys, so these are the aftermath of hurricane burial. Yeah. All I tree them, 90% of them they are grown.
Yeah. Walk and search the place on a small bus. You find a good little spot.
Take time, Rasta, take time. For long we have come up here and every time we come up here we discover something new. So yeah. Find one underground cave, the water spring through all the tree road, the water.
And beautiful, wicked.
Why? Dog, you must sit there and turn up. Seems like we're going to get some weather today too. So we have two choices. Either we are going to shoot over upon this side or we are going to go across the river. So we are going to cross over and shoot the video on this side of the bank here. No. Yes, Rasta.
Yeah guys, you want to the weekend, I'm safe when time out of my hand. I'm going to put every mosquito in still out back. The mosquito then come out like, whoa. I tell you.
Watch it.
Mosquito then come out, terrible. I'm not safe when I put weight up on my hand, weight up, and then still out back. Yeah, upon this side, look. Yeah. Can't do it better side.
Yeah, we are shoot on the side. Can give if we shoot on the side, we can get a clearer view on the other side of the trees them and stuff. Yeah, we are shoot on this side.
Alright. Want to let me dive in there?
You want to dive in there?
Yes. Because of what? Dive in there. yeah, so. Right? Where's the pond? I want to fish that just.
The peeps, we there. I get the fire line up. Give you the jerkfish. So you can pack some stick across the fire like this. Pack some stick across the fire like this.
So this a can we use, man. You see this a bend up.
So we got it. And we lay the next set of wood across it. And like, we put the fish on top of it. Put some permento. Put some permento leaves. And then we put a piece of zinc over it. And kick off the bar. That's how we got it. You there, man?
Yeah, so this is the cleaning process of the fish. Scrape off. I really have a lot of scale, just up to your neck. You'll find a little bit of scale on the jaw. Correct, we have to clean up it. Dog, where's the on the menu today, man? You tell the people I'm already?
Jerk bonito, roast plantain, and roast potato.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, man, fully active.
Yeah, so we are going to just make a little jerk sauce, you know, to complement the meal. After cleaning off the scale off of the fish, just slice them up. So I slice them without cutting it. Reason being it's easier to clean out the intestine out of it. So you just go like this. And the stuff out. So the fish maintain firmness. Simple and easy. Yeah, so washing all the fish with some vinegar. Help to break down the rawness. People in here, eh? Thunder that, you know.
Man, a giant chair.
Who a jar chair? Most I got.
Oh,
So rinse them off. And drain out some of the water. Because you know it's a seasoning time, you know. Bonito fishy dinner, you know. Roast plantain. So you know the thing about Caribbean vibes cooking, we tend to do things a little bit different. Because everything we see we prepare, that's what we eat for our dinner. So we are going to season now, dry powdered season. So we are use some fish season. We are use some jerk season. We are use some black pepper. We are use some all-purpose season. And we are use some of our blended season. Local blend with scallion, onion, thyme, bell pepper, bonito pepper, garlic, ginger. And also I'm going to use some Jamaican jerk season, wet jerk. So the mild version of it, because we have kids plus Miss Chrissy, really work well with spicy food. We'll rub in and then cover and leave to marinate. Take it away, Chef Dog.
Yeah. So we add on the fish them on the grill. We wood grill. Put the fire to turbo so we have a cool down operation.
Fireman dog.
We have a cool down operation. Yeah man.
Yeah, cool down operation, he says.
Yeah, peeps. Look, bonito.
I try to replace all of them funny.
Caribbean style of jerky. Add some permento leaf on the fire. And jerk. Bonito.
Get it.
Cool down for operation. For operation I get too wicked. Yeah man.
I want them to take them time on slow.
No force them. So we should add some pimento. So you know it pimento gives a good flavor. Yeah, so this is how keep on the fire a little bit and push it pimento underneath it.
Also I will cover them with this as well.
Yeah. Can smell the pimento flavor already. Push out.
You can see the rain come down too. Can you see that? Cover the fish now. You know, even in our process of covering it, we still have to maintain watching them because we don't want the fire to blaze up on them and burn up.
Yeah.
So we have to see that? You can see that? Yeah. Now check on the plantain and the potato, you know. Whew. Roast potato for dinner. Alongside the roast plantain.
Alongside the jerk, bonito. Ready.
Just Miss Chrissy.
Yeah, now we have to turn them through so they don't dry out. But guys, I mean, I'm going to do some taste piece. I don't have to taste piece. I'm not gonna lie, really nice. Must try the recipe. Jerk bonita. Bad man, well seasoned.
See some potato and the plantain. Now active up and so ready.
I'm gonna make a little sauce for the fish. Make a little sauce for the fish. A little tomato ketchup, a little brown sugar. A little orange juice. A little vinegar. Fish heel. Fish heel. Add a little bit more of the jerk sauce. I'll add a little soy sauce to it. Add a little bit more ketchup. sauce to be pour water. I want it to be stiff. Yeah. Base the bonito them. Nice sauce. And it's a Caribbean vibe style. Yeah, so I'm gonna try complete base in the bonito them. In the sauce. So we choose not to use the grill today. You know, we want it to be more outdoor, lifestyle, more authentic. Yeah, so I want it to be more authentic. That's why we didn't carry the grill today. So I'm gonna garnish them with some onion and a little bit of pepper.
So your peeps, we pick off the bonito them off the hood grill. Now we don't want to dry out. You know, if they dry out, we want to chash it. We don't want to. We want to taste some juicy and miley. Come on, jerk bonito ready. Get them off a wooden grill. Like Caribbean vibes, we have invented some things. So we do it.
Just a little piece of wood on the roster.
So it's a jerk bonito, roast plantain, sweet potato, roast. Oh my word!
It's a clumsy man.
You don't want to drop it.
The whole one, man.
You don't want to drop and waste it, my boy. Yes, man.
Look at it, my people.
Jerk bonito. Oh my word.
And then overcook.
Yeah.
Then burn up.
Ready for eat now. Yeah, peeps, we can't wait for the potato ready. Yeah, so we get the food them shear out. Ready. Yes, man. Jerk bonito. Roast potato. Roast plantain. Wait tonight, you know.
You ready, Miss Kissy? Get a cord.
Now is the time. What kind of time? Eating time. Yes, peeps, jerk bonito. Roast potato. It's good.
Watch the people. A crowd come down for the pot today. Watch that everything shell down already.
I will say we are hideouts with them.
No. You know the food them in a timing.
Great turkey.
Jerk bonito. One and only.
What's that?
Yeah, man. Up,
Jerk
man.
bonito.
Up. Jerk.
Like
bonito.
7.
See that? I try and twist this down in the pot. On the fire.
I hate macaban.
Smoke roast. Bonito.
What's that going to do? I'll dance with coming out. See there?
Sit there.
What's that?
Time for time apart.
Oh my word.
See there. Jerk. What roast fish?
Jerk bonito.
Jerk bonita. Roast plantain. No nice son.
You know my thing on KFC. They hide the pot and we find it cover up so we smell it. Yeah, what? Because I music my people, so you know the thing come down with the copyright with the YouTube, so you know. To maintain the channel, we're not in no problem with YouTube, so you know, so our jerk sauce we make. I don't want to quite go home. Yeah, man. Did them one, see them.
Yes, my team, we're there, man. Fully active. No one, anyway, Caribbean vibes there. A hideout. The people they always find you. Anyway, go ahead. Come on, look ahead, this spot is over there, you know? And the man in stay for us on smelly pot. You know the drill, man. Like, share, and comments, and subscribe to the Big Bad Caribbean Vibes. Fully active.
Yeah, guys, it's a beautiful day. Drink some drinks and people them come and bomb rush the pot and go and start. I want big up to Connie. You know, Connie done so many great things for us. I really appreciate. I want and we always take the time out to big him up, cause you know, gratitude is a must. And man, we have to like, comment, share, and subscribe, man. Big Bad Caribbean Vibes cooking, you know.
Fully active.
One calabash of drinks.
What's the next question?
They are going to finish my bonita. Jerk bonita to be exact. But you know, respect guys.
That's a boy.
I say when it's nice, you have to play it twice, you know.
Yeah.
Drinks nice, you have to drink it twice, you know. Time hot, man, so thank God current and thank God the ice, cause last week them time all of us perish,
Excellent.
you know. But to God be the glory, great things you have done, you know. Storm pass through Jamaica and you know, when I lose nothing big we can repair back, cause the greatest thing in life, and we no lost life. If we no lost life, material things we always can buy back and build back. Man, so I say, big up to all the Caribbean Vibes family out there, all over the world. Keep safe, my people, we're out.
Yeah, man, fully active, man. You know a jail, man. Big up on yourself.